All right, let's just cut right to the chase because today we had yet another massive announcement of a crypto airdrop from Wormhole. Now, if you've been following along with the channel and doing some of the tutorials that I've posted, you will probably be qualifying for a Wormhole airdrop. I've posted at least 2 video tutorials showing you how to interact with Wormhole, including one from just last week, as well as one from maybe a month ago, and that was on Mayan Finance and Wormhole. And in some of my daily updates, I also showed you a few smaller things that you could do to interact with the Wormhole protocol. And if you followed along with any of those guides, you will be getting some of the W token because it looks like the snapshot was either early this morning or sometime late yesterday. And I will say that, thank God, the ticker symbol for this one is W and not whole, because honestly, having a good ticker for the token I think actually reflects in the price. Now there is a full blog post that you can read, and I'll link it down below, that goes through the tokenomics, but the TLDR is that this is actually going to be a pretty large airdrop. Sometimes a protocol or an app drops 5% of their token supply, but they are dropping 17%. And on top of that, Wormhole has received massive funding, more than most protocols you can find. So taken all together, I think that this is going to be a pretty nice airdrop. Like they say in the blog post, the snapshot has already been taken, and yesterday they posted a tweet saying that you had 12 hours from that time. So probably the snapshot occurred sometime late yesterday, if not early this morning. So congratulations to everyone. We're still waiting for more details on what the eligibility criteria will be, but I can pretty much guarantee that if you followed along with some of my guides, you're gonna get at least something. All right, next up, let's talk about PYTH staking to get airdrops. I've posted a couple of videos talking about this, and we have a semi-time sensitive task that you need to complete if you want to make sure to maximize your potential here. So if you are staking PYTH with the PYTH network, they now have a governance vote on, and you can use your delegated PYTH to cast a vote on their DAO constitution. So this isn't even just any regular vote. This is the founding vote, and you probably want to make sure that you cast a vote on this. So if you go to the staking dashboard, you'll notice at the top there's a button that says governance, and if you click on that and connect your wallet, it will show you how many PYTH tokens you have staked, and that is the number of votes that you get. And you just want to scroll down to this right here, ratification of the PYTH DAO constitution, and make sure that you vote on this. I am going to be voting yes. So you have until February 13th at 6 p.m. UTC in order to cast a vote. So make sure that you go and cast that vote if you have been staking PYTH and following along with that part of the channel airdrop strategy. Speaking of staking assets or restaking assets, you can now actually add more to your deposit on the Solana restaking Mantis games. I've made a previous tutorial talking about this and showing you how to do it. So the deposit caps have been raised, and if you want to go make a deposit, you now have an opportunity to do so. So if you want to restake your Solana to participate in this campaign, the vaults are open and they're 55% full. Now, on the topic of staking assets to receive additional airdrops, obviously yesterday was a massive day. We received the Dimension token airdrop, and lots of my viewers that followed my Celestia staking tutorials qualified for this airdrop as well, which was worth thousands of dollars. So I discussed yesterday how I'm staking pretty much all of my DYM tokens to try and roll it over, build up a larger airdrop snowball, and qualify for more airdrops. It looks like a lot of people are doing the same because the amount of staked DYM tokens just keeps going up. And keep in mind, a lot of this token here that is unbonded is actually locked up. It's not actually circulating supply. So pretty much the majority of the circulating supply is being staked. So that is cool to see. And as a result of this narrative, we see that the price of the Dimension token has gone up from below $5 to over $6 in just a day. In terms of actual concrete proof that Dimension stakers are going to get airdrops, we have already had more or less confirmation from Avail that they're going to be dropping to DYM stakers. And if you do have Dimension tokens and you're just sitting on them, you haven't staked them yet, but you're planning on staking them eventually, I do recommend you do it ASAP, because that way you make sure that you won't miss any snapshots. And I have delegated my stake with Nation Krypto. I know these guys, they're great validators and I trust them. And if you want to support the channel, there's one extra step. All you have to do is follow the link down below, paste in your wallet address, and then click this button that takes you to the staking page where you can delegate your tokens to Nacion Crypto. Okay, let's keep going because there's a few more important airdrop updates for you. The Mode network has campaigns live on Interact as well as Layer 3. And I've actually got a full step-by-step tutorial on this coming out tomorrow morning. However, I did not discuss the Interact campaigns which were just announced. So if you want to try and complete some of these tasks for the Mode airdrop, definitely go and check it out. All right, next up we have a semi-announcement from ZeroLend. They're going to be doing a retroactive drop soon. We already know that they have a points campaign on, and I showed in previous videos how you can deposit assets to ZeroLend in order to qualify for this airdrop. So stay tuned for more on this one because it looks like we're actually going to be getting a token pretty soon. And this is actually available on the Manta L2 and the ZK Sync L2. The next update for you is from Izumi Finance. This is a DEX that I've used to make swaps and provide liquidity on a number of different ETH L2s, and they actually announced the launch of their points system. And so if you've used Izumi Finance on any of these different networks, you can go and see how many points you've qualified for on each network. Now, for me personally, this demo wallet hasn't done that much on Izumi Finance, but on one or two of my other wallets, I've received many more points. And two more quick updates for you today. The first is about another massive airdrop that I have been waiting for a long time, which is Starknet. And now we have from Argent, which is basically the main wallet for the Starknet ecosystem, Argent and Bravos anyways, and they are confirming that the airdrop is coming soon. So that's it for this, although this is one of the first times that we've seen an ecosystem partner and not the Starknet team itself confirm that the airdrop is coming soon. But it seems like every week it's coming soon, but it's never actually here. I expect that this one is going to drop before the end of February. And if it doesn't, I will run another giveaway for my followers and give away some TIA tokens or something like that. And the final thing that I wanted to talk about today is that there are scammers on YouTube and on Twitter that are impersonating me. And so here, someone brought this to my attention, but this is one of my videos. You can see that it's literally my video that's been downloaded and reposted on another YouTube channel that is not Krypto Cove. I have zero affiliation with this channel. They've basically stolen my content and reposted it. And the reason why they're doing this is so that they can actually drain your wallet. So this link right here is not the official alt layer claim page. This is going to be a wallet drainer, a scam page. And so they're trying to basically use my reputation and my content to trick people into connecting their wallets to links like this and then drain them of their assets. In the channel page under copyright, I can see lists of all of these videos that are getting posted that are literally 100% copies, 100% matches of mine. And when I get batches of them, I try to remove them to try and keep you guys safe. But it happens so much that it's really hard for me to keep up with. And so first things first, if the content is not from this channel, Krypto Cove, then you can know for 100% certainty that it's not from me and you should not click on any of the links below that video. And then secondly, if you can report that channel or report the content, then that would probably help me and other people out. And let's try and prevent as many people as possible from getting scammed by stuff like this. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's update. There's a couple of hours left in my Dimension giveaway. I'm going to be doing the random draw for people that followed all of the instructions here in about 2 or 3 hours. So this is your last call to participate if you want to get in on this giveaway. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.